locked out of your car with power locks? Don't panic. There are quick and safe ways to get back in. Let's explore some common methods to unlock your car, even when your power locks are giving you trouble. First, try your spare key. It's the simplest solution and often overlooked in a moment of stress. Check all doors and the trunk. Sometimes one might be unlocked, especially if you have a habit of not fully closing it. Consider using a slim jim or a coat hanger. These tools require some finesse, but can be effective for older car models. If you're using a slim jim, carefully slide it between the window and the weather stripping. Aim for the lock mechanism. With a coat hanger, straighten it out, leaving a small hook. Try to snag the lock button or the internal linkage. Be very cautious when using these tools to avoid damaging your car's electrical system or paintwork. Roadside assistance is always an option. Many insurance policies or car manufacturers offer this service. If all else fails, calling a professional locksmith is the safest and most reliable method. They have specialized tools. Remember to always keep a spare key in a safe, accessible place, not inside the car. Regularly check your car's battery. A dead battery can sometimes prevent power locks from working. Learning these methods can save you time and frustration during an unexpected car lockout. Stay calm, assess the situation, and choose the best approach for your specific car and circumstances.